Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Marvel Rivals Directx 12 not supported on your computer. So it's actually pretty easy guys. If you actually have a DirectX 12 supported operating system and a computer system as well. So if you have both of these, you can fix this problem very easily. So the first step is to just go to google.com and download DirectX 12 once again. By the way, it comes pre-installed on your Windows 11 or the latest Windows 10 update and the Windows 11 operating system. But you can also download it from Microsoft website just to reinstall it. And this should fix your problem in most cases. If it still doesn't fix your problem, you can write something like dx12. Actually, let me show you guys on something else. Um, so for example, I'm gonna select this code from here, and here at the end of um, the target URL, you just have to write dx12 dx11. Actually, you have to write plus here and minus there, and this should fix your problem. If it still doesn't fix your problem, the last step is to just format your computer and run a clean install of the operating system on your computer, and this should fix your problem. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.